Hello there guys, it's Jake here at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video on this Kawasaki Versys 650. So here it is, 2021, 21 plate, 10,479 miles. And as you can see, absolute gorgeous bit of kit, this one. So you've got the touring screen on there. You've got them really nice spotlights down below. As you can see, all on a switch on your handlebars. Free box luggage as well. It is colour coordinated and you do have that backrest as well. Obviously you've got the hand guards on there. The half digital, half analog display, the power outlet too. It's also got the rad guard, and this one does have a lowering kit fitted as well, so sits a little bit lower than usual. Lovely bike though, mega tourer. If you are interested, get yourself down, give us a call and get it bought. Thank you very much for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.